What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. Thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to check out the channel. Hope you like this kind of stuff. If you do, it would be dope if you want to smash the subscribe button, like and comment, do all that kind of stuff, guys. It's a discussion channel. That's what we're here to do. So today's video, we're going to be covering Beast Rebuild, DDE, Heart Media, Mondi. That's what we're going to be covering today. Before we jump into it, guys, a very big thank you to everybody that's subscribed so far. All you people that have commented below in my videos, thanks very much. Keep commenting. I do, as you know, I do like chatting to you. It's great to hear your thoughts and opinions. And hopefully we can get to 2,000 subs. I do have a vlog planned coming up as well. I'm from Limerick. I'm going up to Dublin for Christmas, so hopefully I can get up to a car dealership to show you some supercars up there. And also, guys, I do have one or two ideas as well. I have picked out some rear art. Well, I've picked out what car, poster car, canvas car, because I'm moving house, so I've picked out what one I'm going to get. So when I move house, I'm going to set up a new background. I'll let you know when I get it. Another thing, guys, I want to do is when this channel gets big enough, one thing I've always wanted to do with YouTube as a platform is one video a month. I want to donate the proceeds of that video to charity. So basically, I think YouTube pays out on the 21st of every month. So what I want to do is make a video on the 22nd, leave it run for a month, whatever that video makes, donate it to charity, like animal shelter or sick kids, mental health, homeless. You know, like, I want to do that. So whatever the video makes, it's something I really want to do. I think a lot of YouTubers out there should consider doing it. It would be nice to do it. So if you want to help out, when we start doing it, I will let you know. So today, guys, we're going to jump into today's video. Beast Rebuild. Okay, so Beast Rebuild, they have come out with their new recent build. It's going to be an off-roader Lamborghini Huracan, which is quite nuts. This is his third Huracan build. And also he's come out with plans for the 2021 year on what way they're spreading it out over the builds. It's a bit nuts, I will say. It'd be cool to kind of see the progress with it and how it turns out, but you just wonder how he's going to fit all these builds in. He's giving himself a lot of time frames to make. He's putting himself under a lot of pressure. I think one of the good news coming out of his recent video was he said that they are getting a unit because the shop he's in at home is too small now. The thing with Chris is, like, he's too many builds going on. He's starting to turn into the tavarish a bit. It's getting a bit kind of like, where you going with your builds, you're starting one and then you're forgetting others. I feel he needs to kind of get the reins and just say, right, this is the clear plan, this is what we plan to do. I know stuff can happen in the background and mess things up, but it would be nice to him to start to have a clear plan, stick with it, and hopefully he gets that unit. If he gets the unit, I think we'll see things improve a lot. So I think he said for SEMA they're doing that the single race car build is going to be SEMA. But look, we'll just see what happens with Beast Rebuild and what way this goes. As I say, it'd be nice to see him go back regularly posting. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of his layout for the future plans for Beast Rebuild and of the new project coming up, and what you think is going to happen with the channel and him getting this new unit as well. Following on to next on the list is going to be DDE. So DDE, I literally just spotted it, guys. Now, you know me, if you're subscribed to my channel, I'm not news. I just give my thoughts and opinions. I just spotted this. I know this will be covered by you know who, Life Apollos, but I just wanted to mention it because I spotted it. So DDE on Instagram literally have put up saying that they had a post about R8 and GTR, and they're basically saying, you know, asking like which one would you go for and could they do a build, yada yada yada. Just the reason I'm mentioning is because just to see your thoughts and opinions about DD doing a JDM build, because the GTR build would be quite cool. I'd love to see them do a GTR build. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of them maybe possibly doing a GTR build, or do you want to do another R8? I don't know, GTR would be just a bit different. That'd be pretty cool indeed. Next next up is going to be Hartnett Media. Just a quick one on this, guys, because you know I love Hartnett Media and watch this media. I love my 4K cinematography shoots. This one was of the Japan Auto Salon and a few car meets, just a few of them wrapped together. It's a really good video. Some of the cars in it are so epic. There was an R35 in it that was drool. So I'm just going to give you a quick bit of it because it's only 3 minutes long. So I don't want to ruin it for you, but here's a quick clip.
We are such stuff as dreams are made of, and our little life rounded with a sea.
There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below which ones you go for or what you thought of it. Very great work by these guys. Love Hartnett Media as well. Two of my favourites, Hartnett Media and Washers Media. Definitely check out their channel if you haven't. Last on the list, guys, is going to be Mondi. So Mondi is back posting a bit regularly now. Finally an update on his Porsche Rwb. Was wondering where I went to. He does things assways, Mondi, but you know, it's just Mondi. He doesn't care. He's got money. He can kind of really do what he wants, kind of thing. But it's cool to see that the RWB is back. Is going to be back on the road. It went to RDBLA, which I think if you're going to go to anybody for that kind of work, RDBLA, your guys. It looks like it came out sick. I love the colour. The wheels he picked were BBS, I think. I think he's going for like gold or champagne gold on one side and silver on the other. Now this was Mondi. Me personally, I would have stuck with a chrome lip with a 6 spoke maybe. I'm not into the BBS multi-spoke rims. They're just not for me. I know they suit Porsches, but it's just not my style. But if I was to pick one colour, it would have been the silver ones. It's still such a sick car. It's so wide, the big massive wing in the back. The interior is absolutely mint in it. I love the interior, it's so cool. RDBLA knocked it out of the park with that one. And let me know in the comments below, guys, what you thought of Mondi's RWB. I cannot wait to see it finished and what you think of his channel. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks very much indeed if you watched to the end, and even better if you subscribed and like and get this video up, and definitely comment below. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.